Hi guys, it's me, Hili Zavaro. Today I would like to show you Classkick, which is a wonderful platform if you have some presentations, you want to do some activities, you want to create activities for your students, you want them to work at their own pace, but then it gives you an option to see everyone's answers in real time. So let's say that this is my class, I can see where everyone is, and I can see what they're doing, and I can just go in and see. Let me show you some examples of some activities that can be done. So here are some ideas. Let's say you can have them write their name and add pictures. And then you can add stickers telling them that they did a great job. And you can even do this live as they are actually doing it. Another activity, you can add multiple choice questions, and they will see immediately if they got it right or wrong. They just click. There's also an option to add a website, even a video that I added here, and again, paste stickers to let them know they did well. Adding pictures, and you can add pictures, and they have those little boxes. On those little boxes, they can add answers, as you can see. So here they wrote 36, 31, 17, and then I added a sticker. You can also add a picture or a graphic organizer or a chart and have them move things around. They move things around to basically sort different words or different pictures and place them in different places on the page, which is really nice. So it's kind of like a drag and drop activity. Here I uploaded a map of the world, and they just needed to draw a line from point A to point B of a place they would like to visit. So that's a nice activity where they can just draw lines. Students can also add different links because they have all of this. They have the editor option, so they can add links to different websites. So I could tell them, find a website about your favorite place around the world and use the link icon to paste it. So they simply click on the link icon and they add a website. Another thing you can ask them to do is write a short paragraph and highlight different words. So here I asked them to write a paragraph about their favorite movie and then use the highlight tool to highlight the verbs in your writing in the paragraph. I can also upload another graphic organizer, which is a Venn diagram, and they can add text boxes and just write and compare. I can also add exit tickets. I can ask them write 2 most favorite activities from today's lesson and 1 question that you have. And so I can add this picture in. And there are other templates, really nice templates as well on Classkick, and students can add their answers. So how do we do this? We write Classkick on Google, click on the first option, classkick.com. For the first time, you're going to have to create an account. So click sign up, it's free. And of course you can sign in with your Gmail, with your Google account, which makes things much faster. As you log in, you want to choose teacher and then Google and sign in. You will also be asked to add your school name, and that's fine. Just write your school name, we'll find it on the list. So now all you need to do is start a new activity. So go to assignment plus a blank new assignment or create from file. If you click create from file, here you can just upload some activities, maybe PowerPoints that you have. Since Classkick only accepts PDF files, if you have a PowerPoint presentation, just click File, Save As, change here to PDF, and save. Eventually, it will be a PDF file, and you'll be able to click the plus, create from file, and upload the PDF file. Then you want to drag to select or click select all. If you want all of them, just click import all pages and all pages will be added. Click finish and your presentation is ready to get interactive. Once it's there, all you need to do is change the name. You can call it Present Perfect, for example. And you can give it a description. You can add the subject. The grade. And the access, leave it private only for your students, unless you want to put it for everyone to use or to send to your friends and colleagues. So if not, leave it private. If you want it shared, then colleagues can view and make a copy. So up to you. Okay, now we're going to click on the plus and add some activities. So let's have a look. The first one, let's say have an S plus V3. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click plus and add an activity right after this rule, this slide. As I go in, I have the editor here, the text editor here, and I can do all sorts of things. When I click background, I can change the color. And I can also upload a picture. But the cool thing is that you have ready-made graphic organizers or just templates. You have this page, this, you have a Venn diagram, which makes things easier if you want your students to compare and contrast different concepts. You have ready-made charts for you to use. You have the exit ticket, and you have nice blank pages with frames. So let me just use the Venn diagram for a second. And what I want to do as I upload this background, I want to add instructions. So I'm going to click on the text, and I'm going to write something like comparing present simple to past simple to present perfect. Okay, I have it here. And now I'm going to add another text box and write here present simple, past simple, and here another text box. I'm going to write present perfect. And here in the middle, I'm going to add a box that says both. And this is really an activity for the students to add information and compare the two tenses. Now, since it's right here at the end, I want to drag this and put this in the right place. It's here. So I'm dragging and dropping this at the correct spot. Let me show you more activities. Plus, going in. And now I can add a different background, or I can add just text or link. I can add a link. I can say, watch the following video. And here I'm going to paste a link to a video. Okay. I have some songs in the present perfect, so I'm going to copy the link from here. And I'm going to paste it here. So students will be able to listen to it. It's right here. I'm going to drag and paste it here. Text, then I'm going to write something like write down 4 verbs in the present perfect that you've heard in the songs. And then they'll have to listen and add their answer right here. Of course, you can make it really nice and organized like this, and then they'll add their answers here. To go to the main page, click on the little arrow, and what you can do is you can add points here. 10 points. Let's say this one is 10 points, and I'm going to drag this one, let's say, to here. So points are nice because you can allocate points. Later on, I'll show you how to add stickers. Okay, so what you can also do is add an image, and you can upload from the computer or the camera and ask questions about the image. For example, you can add this image from your computer. It will be added, And then you can ask a question about it. You can make it smaller here. Add text. And you can say, what does the picture mean to you? And then you can, of course, highlight, and everything that you can do, they can do. Highlight with this. This is the pen mode. You can ask them to write their name, and they can use the pen mode to write something or to circle different things. And more cool options are the microphones. For example, you can add audio. Click to start recording. Hi everyone, it's me, Healy, your teacher. Please take a look at the picture and add some information, thoughts, and insights about the meaning of the picture. Then you stop, and then it's uploaded. Then your students will be able to listen to you. So it's always good to write the instructions, but also to record instructions. And don't forget, you can also ask your students to record their answers as well. So you can ask them to actually record so they can practice writing, using the text box, but also speaking. They can also upload pictures, add links to different websites. So you have to think about interesting things. This is the draw a line from point A to point B activity. It's this one. This is the eraser. And of course, you can just play around with this and find different things to do. This is my favorite part, the stickers. Click on the little star, and then you can add different stickers. I added your work is amazing, interesting ideas, great job. But the actual website has different stickers, ready-made stickers for you, like restate part of this, go back in the passage and read again, use evidence to support. So I'm going to show you how to add a sticker. Add new sticker, change the image, and give it an image that you like. Wonderful job or wonderful answer. And you can give it points if you want, and then save. Eventually, if you want to give it to students, simply click on. Okay, so when you are done, just click assign. And now you want to start a class. So you need to click on rosters right here. Then plus, new roster. Choose a class, let's say grade 10. Enter. You can pick a color. Then you can click add students, basic, and you can write your name, for example, then add. That's really all you need. So now you go back and you will see your class right here. And all you need to do is go to your assignment, the one you did. My assignment was present perfect. I can click on the little arrow. Assign to students using class code. Assign a roster. Grade 10. We're all set. Click on the little link icon. And this is what you send to students. You can also use Google Classroom, or simply tell them to put this code as they go to classkick.com. I'm going to copy this link and show you what it looks like as a student. Your student will already have the code inside. They'll just have to add their name. And there you go. They have the task, and they'll be able to just go step by step and add their answers. So this is the first one. Me as a student, I can add some text, and I can write some things here, and I can write some things here. Note that I can also add pictures, upload from the computer, for example. So as a student, I can do anything the teacher can, anything you've seen before. So that can make you think of really nice tasks like find a picture that represents something, or find a picture that that describe actions or fruit or your favorite animal, and they can upload those pictures. They can also draw lines, and they can also add links like songs that they put here. So they can do all those things. All you need to do is think about creative tasks using, of course, the information. And you don't have to add a PowerPoint the way I did. You could just start blank and just use some writing activities, recording activities, and you don't even have to add a PowerPoint. This is the recording option. So students will be prompted to record, allow. And here students can start recording. 1, 2, 3. And this is the recording. Okay, now as a teacher, I have to go to view work. As I go to view work, I can see now this is me. I can see myself, and I can click on a specific slide, and I can see this in live mode. The students don't have to click a submit button. This is just live, so I can just see this as this is happening, and then I can encourage students, and I could tell them, wonderful answer. And so I can just stick the little sticker I created, wonderful answer +5 with the diamond, or I can add this sticker and stick it anywhere I like. And this is really encouraging for students, so they can see that I see them. And if they are struggling, they can actually raise their hand. Take a look. Here, there's a little hand. They can click, and they can click please help. They can also say please check, meaning if they're not sure, they want the teacher to see, they click please check. And then in the teacher view, I can see the little hand here. It's highlighted. As I click, I can see Healy raised her hand for a check, meaning Healy wants me to check her work. Then I can put the hand down. There's also an option for them to ask help from friends. So let's say they click here on the little hand, and then please help. And it says please raise your hand for help. And they can also type a message and write something like, I am not sure what to do in slide 4. They can see their slide number here. Enter, and then me as the teacher, I can see it as I click on the little hand. I can see on the right side of my screen, Healy raised her hand for help, and then I can see that Healy wrote, I'm not sure what to do in slide 4. So that means I have contact with my students. Let's say we're on Zoom, then I can just give it to everybody and see what they're doing in real time and just go and help those who need me. Let's say we're in class, I can just see, oh, Danny needs my help, and then I can just approach Danny and help him. So really nice things that students can also write their names, draw with the pen, etc. So I hope you like this tutorial. Like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone!